Hey guys, it's Robin. So I'm just a little bit overwhelmed here. I started pulling everything out and realized that I had my stamps in numerous different places, which isn't efficient in any kind of space, especially your crafting space. And maybe this will help me. Maybe I'll start using my stuff more if I get rid of the things that I don't exactly love, or I really have no use for. There's a reason why I bought them. It's a couple of different things, and you all know what I'm talking about. You either bought it because it was on a really good sale and you couldn't pass it up, or they were just so cute, something was so cute that you just loved it and it really sparked your interest at the time. Or you saw someone here on YouTube making something that was super cute and you fell in love with it and you wanted to do the same thing, so you rushed right out and bought it. Well, here we are. Here's my stamp collection. Now, I know that my Gorgeous Girl stuff, this basket here is full of the Gorgeous Girl, the larger stamps like this. Not the biggest ones, but the larger ones. This is the new minis stamps. This is the first set of them. I really want the other cover that holds these, but can't seem to get my hands on it. But those aren't going anywhere. There is no way those are going. Those are staying with me. I dearly, dearly love the Gorgeous Girl stamps. Some of these others, I'm sure that I can part with them, but I need to go through them, and I'm feeling pretty overwhelmed. I had no idea that I had this many stamps. So the ones that I'm not going to use, I'm passing on to those who can use them, and I'm making a mental note to myself from now on if I'm out shopping or I see something. Hopefully me doing this and you all being accountable for it is going to make me think twice when I'm shopping and doing hauls. I'm hoping that's what the outcome of this will be. But anyway, plus it's going to, I can bless someone else out there. So anyway, I think I'm going to take a breather for just a second because I'm a little exhausted because I had to pull these from so many different places in my craft room. So I think I'm going to take a little break and relax just a tad, and then come back in here with a clear mind, because I believe that you need a clear mind when doing this and be calm. And then I'll start after I take a little break. Plus, I need some dinner. So anyway, I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Please, blah. See, I told you I need a break. I can't even talk. Please comment. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Please leave a comment below with some sort of encouragement to me. Please tell me, don't lie, but please tell me that it's like this for you all as well. I know it is. I've seen some of your videos, but just I need some moral support here, I guess is what I'm asking, girls. I finally got that out. And guys, just need some moral support to get through this. I have to do it. My room, I don't have a humongous room, and I'm crafting myself right out the door. So this is a have-to thing, so all the encouragement that I can get from you guys surely will be appreciated. And I'm passing this stuff on to you all for supporting me all these years. So anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.